How to enable location in Grindr in PC. Hello everyone, welcome back to app tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how you can enable the location in Grindr on your PC. So let's start. Now in case you are using the website version of Grindr, the first thing to do is log into your account. After that, you'll come to the home page of the Grindr app. Then you will find three dots on the top right side of the screen. Click on it. After clicking on the three dots, go to privacy and security. Inside privacy and security, you will find site settings. Click on it. Then after, click on location. As you click on location, a pop-up message will appear on your screen asking you to allow location access in your device. Click on allow and the location will be enabled. Now in case you are using Grindr through the app emulator such as BlueStacks, then simply open the emulator. After opening the emulator, go to the Grindr app that you have installed and then open it. When you open the Grindr app and try to log into your account, it will show you a pop-up screen like this asking for you to allow access to the location. Now simply click on allow. So by using these methods, you can enable location in Grindr on your PC. That's it for the video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel for further similar videos and drop a like if you found this helpful.